In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide, mute, and unmute a conversation in Google Chat. Sometimes you need a break from a busy chat without leaving it entirely. In Google Chat, the option you see may vary depending on your version or device. If you don't see hide, you can use mute to silence the conversation. Mute doesn't remove the chat. It simply stops the alerts so you can focus. Here's how to quiet a conversation. Start by opening Google Chat. This can be in your browser or the chat app, whichever you normally use. Once you're in, find the conversation you want to silence. You can scroll through your chats or use the search bar at the top to get to it quickly. When you've found it, look for the three dots, also known as the More Options menu, usually to the right of the conversation name. Click those three dots and then choose Mute. That's it. From now on, you won't get notifications for new messages from that chat. The conversation will remain in your list, and you can open it anytime. But it stays quiet until you decide otherwise. A quick note on what changes after muting. You'll still be able to read and send messages, and the chat history remains intact. Other people in the conversation won't be notified that you muted it. It simply reduces the noise on your end so you can manage your attention better. If you rely on alerts for high-priority chats, consider keeping those unmuted and muting only the ones that are less urgent. When you're ready to bring a conversation back to your regular notification flow, unmuting is just as simple. Open the muted conversation by clicking into it. Again, select the three dots in the top area of that chat. From the menu, choose Unmute, or the option that says Turn Notifications Back On. Your alerts for that chat are restored right away. You'll start seeing notifications for new messages as you did before, and nothing about your message history or membership in the chat changes. That's the entire process. Open Google Chat, find your conversation, use the three dots to mute it, and when you're ready, open the same conversation. Use the three dots again and unmute it. Use this workflow to keep your workspace calm and focused while staying connected to the conversations that matter.